Good morning to all my dear students. So in GK our today's topic is Indian revolutionaries. So let's start. India is the largest democracy in the world. It was after long years of struggle that India became an independent nation in 1947. The story of India's freedom from the British rule is the story of the heroic deeds of our freedom fighters who gave up their lives for their motherland. So let's talk about some of our great revolutionaries. First is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. His famous declaration was Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, inspired future revolutionaries during India's struggle against the British rule. But unfortunately, he did not live to see an independent India. Next, we will talk about our great revolutionary Mangal Pandey. He was an Indian soldier. He played a prominent role in incident before the uprising of 1857, which is famously known as the Indian Rebellion of 1857 or India's first war of independence. Next we will talk about Lala Lajpat Rai. He was a revolutionary and was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He was an extremist member of the Indian National Congress. He along with Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandrapal had sacrificed his life for the country, and the trio was collectively known as Lal Bal Pal. Next we will talk about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a prominent Indian nationalist and popularly known as Netaji. He led an Indian national force from abroad against the Western power during World War II. Next we will talk about the great freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an Indian revolutionary whose two acts of dramatic violence against the British in India at the age of 23 made him a folk hero of Indian independence movement. He was the youngest fighter in the Indian freedom struggle.